Locally stored music from your smartphone can be played through your vehicle speakers using WebLink's Music app. Control your music with the Music app, or right from the home screen music widget. With the medium or large home screen music widget, basic music controls are available right from your home screen. To access the full app, tap the widget icon. Start playing music stored on your smartphone, or browse your music by selecting a category using the top bar dropdown. To find something specific, use the search. And to see what is currently playing, tap Now Playing. From here, you can view the album art and access your player controls. To see what is playing next, tap Up Next. At any time, use the back button or the top bar dropdown to continue exploring. Or return to your home screen by tapping the Home button. Enjoy your ride! Visit helloweblink.com to learn more.